Good morning children. Today I am going to start third class maths. Okay children, all of you take your textbooks. All of you take your term 2 textbooks and open the page number 53 amma. Open the page number 53 children. See amma, already we completed the do these two. Already we completed the first section. Now we are going to start second section. Solve the following problems. Following problems. Okay children, first question, first solution. See amma. A bus requires 6 wheels. How many wheels are required for 185 buses? Okay. One bus. Okay. One bus ki any wheels unnayama? 6 wheels unnai. Okay. 6 wheels unnai. So here what they given children? How many wheels are required for 185 buses? Okay. 185 buses ki ఎన్ని వీల్స్ అవసరం ఉంటాయి ఓకే వన్ బస్ కి 6 వీల్స్ అవుతే 185 బస్సెస్ కి ఎన్ని వీల్స్ అవసరం ఉంటాయి మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి ఓకే రైట్ డౌన్ మై ఆన్సర్ wheels are required for buses. How many buses amma? 185 buses. Okay, a bus requires how many wheels? A bus, sorry, write down from here. A bus requires, okay, a bus requires wheels is equal to 6. Okay. Okay ma, wheels are required for buses. How many buses children? 185 buses. A bus requires wheels. Okay. One bus ki any wheels unnayamma? 6 wheels unnai kabatti. Now do the multiplication amma. Do the multiplication. 6 5 ja. 6 5 ja how much? 30. 30. Okay. 30. This right side number 0 right here and left side number 3 carry forward to tens place means here. Okay. 6 8 ja 48. 48 plus 3. 48 keep in your mind and take out the fingers 3. After 48 49 50 51. Okay, 51. This right side number right here and left side number 5 carry forward to hundreds place here. Okay, next 6 1 just 6. 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5. 6 keep in your mind and take out the fingers 5. After 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, 11. This is the answer. Okay ma. Okay, write down here. wheels are required for 185 buses. 185 buses is equal to 1110. Okay. 185 buses ki ఎన్ని wheels కావాలమ్మా? 1110 wheels కావాలి. Write down children. Okay, ma. Next one problem. Next problem, ma. Second one. Next solution, second solution. See children, question. A track is 257 meters long. Okay, track అంటే ఏంటమ్మా? ట్రైన్స్ వెళ్తూ ఉంటాయి కదా. ఓకే, దాన్ని ఏమంటారు? ట్రాక్ అంటారు. ఆ ట్రాక్ ఎంత ఉందమ్మా? 257 meters long. ఓకే, 257 meters long లో ఉంది. How much distance will a racer cover in 8 rounds? ఓకే, 8 rounds లో ఈ రేసర్ ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ కవర్ చేస్తారో ఇక్కడ మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, ఏ track long is equal to 257 meters. How much distance will racer? Okay, a racer covers in 8 48. Okay. Covers in rounds. Cover in rounds is equal to 8. Do the multiplication, children. See. Do multiply with 8, children. 8 7 ja 56. Okay. This right side number 6 right here and left side number 5 carry forward to tens place here. Okay. 8 5 ja 40. 40 plus 5 40. Keep in your mind and take out the fingers 5. After 40 41 42 43 44 45. Okay. 45. This right side number 5 right here and left side number 4 carry forward to hundreds place 4. 8 2 ja 16. 16 plus 4. 16 keep in your mind and take out the fingers 4. After 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, this is the answer. 2056 is the answer. Total distance the racer cover in 8 rounds is equal to answer. Write down, no? Okay, children, next problem, write first. Third answer. Third one. Third one question, children. See, there are 7 days in a week. Ratna worked in an office for 415 weeks. How many days did she work in the office? Okay. మనకు వీక్ ఎన్ని డేస్ ఉంటాయమ్మా 7 డేస్ ఉంటాయి. అలా ఈ రత్న ఏం చేసిందమ్మా ఆఫీస్ లో 415 వీక్స్ వర్క్ చేసింది. అంటే మనం డేస్ లలో చూపించాలి. హౌ మెనీ డేస్ లో డేస్ ఎన్ని డేస్ ఈమె వర్క్ చేసింది అనేది మనం ఇక్కడ చూపించాలి. ఓకే, రైట్ ఆన్ మస్ థర్డ్ సొల్యూషన్. Ratna worked in an office is equal to 415 weeks. Okay, next, the days in weeks. The days in a week is equal to 7. Okay, now do the multiplication. 7 5 jama 7 5 ja 35. Okay, 35. Here right side number 5 right here, and left side number 3 carry forward to tens place, means here 3. Next, 7 1 ja 7, 7 plus 3, 7 keep in your mind and take out the fingers 3. After 7 8 9 10. Okay ma, 10 1 0 10. Here 0 right side number 0 right here, and left side number 1 carry forward to hundreds place. Okay, next 7 4 ja 28, 28 plus 1 is equal to 29. Okay, this is the answer. Write on here the days she worked in the office is equal to. Okay, in the office is equal to. Write on ma. Okay, ma completed. Next one, children. Next one, Amma, do these three. Okay, do these three, children. First section, multiply. Multiply, Amma, a bit. 7 1 into 13. Solution, children. 7 1 1 3. Okay. See, children. Ones place, tens place. Same up. First multiply with 3. Okay. First time chala meeru 3 toni multiply cheyali. 3 ones are 3 ones are 3. 3 sevens are 3 sevens are how much, Amma? 3 sevens are 21. 21. Okay. Put here first number కింద ఏం చేయాలి మీరు ఇక్కడ ఇంటూ మార్క్ పెట్టాలి. ఓకే. ఫస్ట్ నంబర్ కింద మీరు ఇంటూ మార్క్ పెట్టేసి మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ నంబర్ తోని మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేయాలి. 1 1 జా 1, 1 7 జా 7. ఓకే. నౌ both these numbers you have to add, అమ్మా. ఈ రెండు నంబర్స్ మీరు ఏం చేయాలి? యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే. 3 3 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. This is the answer. Okay. Next one, Amma, B bit. 3 7 into 5 4. Solution, Amma, 3 7 5 4. Okay. See, children, first we have to multiply with 4. Okay. See, 4 7 ja 4 7 ja 28. Here I am writing, Amma, 28. This right side number 8 right here and left side number 2 carry forward to tens place. Okay. Write down here 2. Next, 4 12 plus 2. 12 plus 2 12. Keep in your mind and take out the fingers 2. After 12, 13, 14. Okay. 14. Put here into mark, children. Into mark. Now, 5 7 ja 5 7 ja 35. Okay. 35. This 5, right side number 5 right here and left side number 3 carry forward to tens place. Okay, here. Okay, ma. Next, 5 3 ja 15. 15 plus 3. 15 keep in your mind and take out the fingers 3. After 15, 16, 17, 18. Here, 1, 8, 18. See, amma, ఏ నంబర్స్ కింద ఆ నంబర్స్ వేసుకోవాలి. 18 అన్నప్పుడు ఈ 1 కింద 18 వేసుకోవద్దు. 1 కింద 8 వేసి పక్కన 1 వేయాలి. 18. ఓకే. నౌ యాడ్ దిస్ నంబర్స్, చిల్డ్రన్. 8 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. 1. Okay. This is the answer. B bit answer. Next one, Amma, C. 41 into 75. Solution 4 1 7 5. Okay. See, children. First we have to multiply with 5, amma. 5 ones are 5. 5 4 ja 5 4 ja 20. 2 0 20. Put here into mark. Next, multiply with 7. 7 1 ja 7. 7 4 ja 28. 2 here, 8 here. Okay. Now add this number, Amma. 5 means 5. 0 plus 7 means 7. 2 plus 8 and 2 plus 8 means 10. 10. Okay. This 0 right here and this one ఇక్కడ రాయండి అమ్మా. ఓకే, దీని పైన రాయండి 1 + 2 = 3. ఓకే, 10 వచ్చినప్పుడు 0 ఇక్కడ రాయాలమ్మా, 10 1 ఇక్కడ రాయండి. 1 + 2 = 10. ఓకే, రైట్ డౌన్ ద ఆన్సర్ చిల్డ్రన్. Okay, Amma, completed. See, children, this D, E, F, G, H, all these problems for homework, children. See, Amma, homework problems. We have to try, Amma, D to H problems. Okay, D నుండి H problems అన్ని మీకు హోంవర్క్ అమ్మ. మీరు హోంవర్క్ చేసి వాట్సాప్ లో సెండ్ చేయండి. ఓకే, నేను మీకు చేసిన రాంగ్ గా కరెక్ట్ అని నేను చూస్తాను. Okay, children, this is your today's class, Amma, maths class. I hope that you understand today's class. Thank you, Amma. Bye bye.